Strawberries. Strawberries are a popular fruit that are rich in a variety of nutrients and beneficial compounds. Here are some of their properties and benefits. Strawberries are low in calories but high in nutrients. One cup of sliced strawberries, approximately 166 grams, contains about 50 calories, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of protein. They are also rich in vitamin C, manganese, folate, and potassium. Antioxidant properties. Strawberries are a rich source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can contribute to the development of chronic disease, such as cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants in strawberries include vitamin C, anthocyanins, allergic acid, and procyanidins. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds found in strawberries, such as anthocyanins and allergic acid, have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of disease like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Heart health. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound in strawberries may help protect the heart and improve cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that consuming strawberries may help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. Blood sugar control. The fiber and low glycemic index of strawberries make them a good food for people with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. The fiber in strawberries slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants and strawberries may help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and environmental pollutants. Additionally, the allergic acid in strawberries has been shown to reduce skin damage caused by sun exposure. Digestive health. The fiber in strawberries can help promote digestive health by adding bulk to the stool and preventing consumption. Additionally, the high water content of strawberries can help keep the digestive system hydrated and functioning properly. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a wide range of health benefits. Adding strawberries to your diet can be a simple and enjoyable way to improve your overall health and well being. These were some properties and benefits of strawberries. Now we are going to talk about growing strawberries at home. Not only strawberries delicious, but they are also incredibly easy to grow. In fact, you can grow strawberries in your backyard, balcony, or even in your windows. The first method we will talk about is growing strawberries in containers. This is perfect for people who don't have a lot of space or want to keep their plants contained. Here's how to do it. Choose a container that's at least 12 inches wide and 12 inches deep. Make sure it has drainage holes at bottom. Fill the container with potting soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Plant your strawberry plant in the center of the container, making sure the crown is level with the soil surface. Water the plant thoroughly, making sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Place the container in a sunny spot and water the plant regularly. The second method will talk about the growing strawberries in raised beds. This is a great option for people who have more space and want to grow a larger crop. Here is how to do it. Choose a sunny spot in your garden and prepare the soil by removing any weeds and debris. The third method we will talk about is growing strawberries in hanging baskets. This is a great option for people who want to add some greenery to their balconies or porches. Here is how to do it. Choose a hanging basket that's at least 12 inches wide and 12 inches deep. Make sure it has drainage holes at the bottom. Fill the basket with potting soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Plant your strawberry plant in the center of the basket, making sure the crown is level with the soil surface. Water the plant thoroughly, making sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Mulch around the plants to help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. And there you have it. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a wide range of health benefits. Adding strawberries to your diet can be a simple and enjoyable way to improve your overall health and well being. And three easy methods for growing strawberries at home. You will have the satisfaction of knowing that you grew them yourself. And thanks for watching and happy gardening.